grade 6. Today we are doing chapter number 7. Then the chapter name is number patterns. And what do you understand by the word number patterns? Basically, numbers in the number sequence are known as the term of the sequence. These numbers are governed by a specific rules. Here are some examples. Number sequence, if they have a positive even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, if you notice this, they have a particular sequence, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Every number have a gap between them is a plus 2. So what will be the rule is the start with the number, whatever the number it is, then we have a 2, so we will write the 2, then add 2 to each term to get the next term. That will be the rule. Similarly, positive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, how we can write the rule? Start with 1, then add plus 2 to each term to get the next term. Similarly, the third one is a multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. If you want, they want k, you have to find out the next value. What will be the rule? You will write start with 3 and then add plus 3 to each term to get the next term. So what will be the next term? Here will be 15 plus 3, you will get 18. Similarly, we have a powers of a 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. What we will write? Start with 1, then multiply each term by 2. You will get the next term. 1 by times 2, you will get 2. 2 times 2, you will get 4. 4 times 2, you will get 8. Similarly, 16 times 2, you will get 32 and so on. Similarly, powers of a 3, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. So how you will write? Start with 1, then multiply each term by 3 to get the next term. Let's see practice now 1, which is on the page number 160. We have two questions. First one is for each of the following sequence, state a rule. So you have to write the rule first and write down the next two terms. What will be the next two terms of these question? All these four parts. So you have to write all these. And second question is write down the next two terms of each of the following sequence. Let's see the first part. First question is 3, 8, 13, 18 and 23. We have to write the sequence rule and the next two values. What rule you will find? Here the rule is add 5 to each term to get the next term. The next two terms are 28 and 33. 23 plus 5 you will get 28 and 28 plus 3 plus 5 you will get 33. Similarly, we have a B question, minus 20, minus 26, 32, minus 38, minus 44. First of all, they all have a subtraction sign, so you will subtract 6 from each of the term to get the next value. The next two terms are minus 50 and minus 56. Similarly, like this, minus 44, minus 6, you will get minus 50. In the C question, 5, 15, 45, 135 and 405, you have to find out how they and what is the pattern basically they are following. So you will write the rule, multiply each term by the 3 to get the next term. The next two terms are 1, 2, 1, 5 and 3, 6, 4, 5. Similarly, the D part is 4, 3, 7, 4 minus 14, 58, 4, 86. Next value is minus 62, 54 and so on. So what is the rule? Divide each term by minus 3 to get the next value. The next two terms are 18 and 6. In the question number 2, they are saying write down the next two terms of each of the following sequence 1, 2, 4, 7, 11 and 16 to 26, 25, 21, 20 and 16. What is the pattern they are following in the A part? You have to find out the rule by yourself, and I'm just here sharing the question, its answer. You have to find out the rule and tell me next day in class. You have to tell me the rule. What's the rule? And your homework task is you have to do the question number 1 of exercise 7a, you have to write out the sequence and you have to write the rules and write down the next two terms. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.